Hello my dear students, welcome back to all computer classes. So students, we are learning Microsoft Word 2010, right? In the last class we learned about organization charts, and today we are going to learn about headers and footers, right? So let's see what is it. So header is the top margin of each page and footer is the bottom margin of each page, right? What for these margins are kept? They are useful. Headers and footers are useful for including material that you want to appear on every page of a document, right? So what kind of material it is? Such as the name, the title of a document, or a page number, right? For example, if you can notice a footer on this slide, right? So at the bottom, if you see, there is a text written. So this is a, look at the mouse pointer movement. So this is a footer note at the bottom of the page, right? So when I will move my slides, you will get to see this text written at the bottom of every page. So this is an example of a footer, right? So now let's see how we can include this kind of text, page number, date, or some text on a header section or at the footer section, right? So where we need to go, we will go in the insert tab, and in the insert tab we will go in the header and footer group, right? And there we will click on the header tool, and if we want to include the footer, so we will click on the footer tool, right? So these two tools will be available at the same point. Now let's move to the Microsoft Word 2010 and learn practically how to do this. Now we want to include a header, right? So I'll go in the insert tab, click here, and here you see a header and footer group, right? You can see at the bottom, right? So here I'll click on header, right? The moment you click on the header, you get to see various kind of headers available with us, right? So I will choose this one, right? So whatever text I want to write, I can write. Now this text is already selected, so I'll press backspace and I'll write right. So now my text is added. If I want to do some formatting, I want to reduce the size of the text, I can do so, right? Now my header is included, and you see I'll go in the design tab and close this button. The moment you close it, your header is done. Now you see, I'll scroll down the page, you see this header will be included on all the pages, right? Now you see this is second page, third page, on all the pages you will get to see this header, right? Now let's see how to include the footer. For that we will follow the same step, go in the insert tab. In the insert tab we will get to see header footer group, and in the header footer group click on the footer. Now you see we have various kinds of footer, right? So I would like to choose this one. So here I can add some text and page number also, right? So this is the fourth page by default selected. So if I want to include the text, select this box, press backspace and write computer class, right? Now if I press cross this button, the text box will be closed. Now you see, I'll show you from the beginning. This is my first page. Now you can see we have 4 pages, and at the top header is added, and at the bottom footer is added, right? So this is page number 1 and computer class, right? So this is the way we can add the header and footer, right? Now let's practice. So you have learned about header and footer, right? So you must be able to do this fill-ups now. A header and footer is a tool available in Dash tab and in the Dash group, right? So what was the name of the tab? It was Insert tab, right? And the name of the group was header and footer group, right? So header is the text that is added at the dash of every page. So where it is added? Header is added at the top of the page, right? And footer is the text that is added at the dash of every page. So what is the answer? The answer is bottom of the each page, right? So students, I hope you liked the class. It was very easy and short for you. Just practice, do it by yourself, and you will learn more, right? So see you in the next class. Till then, take care and goodbye.